K-drama lovers. August 2025 is packed with exciting new dramas from fantasy and romance to dark crime and healing journeys. Get ready to update your watchlist because this month's lineup is seriously unmissable. Let's dive right into the list. 10. Ema. Set in the glitz and grit of the 1980s Korean entertainment industry, Ema tells the story of the reigning queen of film, a bold, sharp-tongued actress played by Lee Hana, who's never afraid to speak her truth. She's cast in a remake of the classic film Madam Ema, but her fiery personality sparks tension on set. When a raw, optimistic nightclub dancer is chosen from an open audition, the world of celebrity collides with the dreams of the unknown. Expect fierce ambition, secrets, betrayals, and a brilliant portrayal of fame's double-edged sword. This power-packed period drama is coming to Netflix and also stars Bang Hyo-rin and Jin Sung-kyu. With only 6 episodes, expect strong female leads, nostalgic vibes, and a raw look behind the scenes of fame. 9. Reverse. Reverse is shaping up to be one of 2025's most addictive psychological melodramas. Seo Ji-hye plays a resilient mother of 2 who suffers from amnesia following a near-fatal car accident. Her world turns upside down as forgotten memories resurface and truths about her childhood accident and her powerful fiancé from Mono Group begin to unravel. A mysterious bar owner with his own past might hold the missing link. With only 8 tightly written episodes, this drama promises emotional suspense on par with Mine or Flower of Evil. Co-starring Go Soo, Reverse explores trauma, identity, and the pursuit of truth. 8. The Tyrant Chef. If you love fusion fantasy and cooking dramas, you are in for a treat. Yuna stars as Yoon Ji-young, a cheerful Michelin chef who wins a prestigious competition in France only to suddenly time-slip back into the Joseon dynasty mid-ceremony. Wearing her modern chef's uniform in an ancient world, she's forced to cook royal cuisine for a king known for his tyrannical ways and gourmet tastes. With political conspiracies in the palace and heart-fluttering interactions with the king played by Lee Jae-min, this drama serves historical tension with a side of delicious dishes and growing romance. Adapted from a popular web novel, this drama is rich in visuals and layered storytelling. 7. My Golden Star. A comeback 25 years in the making. My Golden Star stars Young-hwa as a once celebrated actress who lost everything in a tragic accident. With no memories of her past fame, she now aims to rebuild her life and career. Along the way, she reconnects with her former co-star Song Sang-hen, and forgotten sparks begin to fly again. This story of healing, rediscovery, and romantic redemption will hit all the emotional notes, especially with the leads reuniting on screen after 10 years. If you enjoy mature, thoughtful romance mixed with showbiz drama, this one's a must-watch. 6. Mary Kills People. What would you do if a doctor secretly helped patients end their pain forever? Based on the Canadian dark comedy Mary Kills People, Doctor's Game dives into moral grey zones. Lee Bo-young, Lee Min-ki, and Kang Ki-young headline the story of a skilled doctor who secretly aids terminally ill patients in euthanasia, all while dodging police investigations and personal trauma. With sharp wit, emotional depth, and twists around every corner, this drama walks a fine line between crime thriller and tragicomedy. Premiering mid-August, this one is perfect if you love thrillers with a touch of heart. 5. My Lovely Journey. For those who love feel-good stories with breathtaking scenery, My Lovely Journey is the soul-soothing journey you need. It follows a former idol-turned-travel reporter who takes healing road trips on behalf of others. Every destination brings a new story, new friendships, and a chance at romance. As she documents the beauty of South Korea, she also confronts her past, loneliness, and the search for purpose. Starring Gong Sun-yoon and Yoo Jun-sung, this drama is perfect for fans of slice of life, comfort shows, and visually rich storytelling. With only 10 episodes, this drama is full of emotional warmth, beautiful scenery, and self-growth. 4. Beyond the Bar. If legal dramas are your thing, you'll love Beyond the Bar, in the drama Yulim Law Firm, where sharp minds battle injustice. Beyond the Bar stars Lee Jin-wook as a calm, collected legal ace who's paired with a socially awkward yet fiercely passionate junior lawyer, played by Yoon Chae-yoon. Their dynamic from misunderstandings to mutual respect is central to this gripping legal drama. With powerful cases, moral dilemmas, and character development, this one is bound to pull you in. Also starring Jun Hae-bin, this drama is perfect for fans of Stranger in Law School. This 12 episodes legal romance will stream on Netflix every weekend. 3. Love Take 2. Imagine your first love returning with a teenage son. In Love Take 2, Yoon Young-ah plays a hardworking single mother and construction manager who crosses paths with her ex, now a widower with a child. Meanwhile, her daughter, a rebellious med student, adds another layer of chaos. With family antics, emotional growth, and a sweet slow burn romance, this 12-episode TVN gem is funny, warm, and deeply relatable. This drama is all about rebuilding relationships, self-discovery, and sweet rural romance. 2. Our Golden Days. Led by Jung Il-woo and Jung Yoon-sung, Golden Moments is your emotional weekend escape. After losing everything, a male lead finds peace in a quaint cafe run by a warm-hearted designer. As their lives intertwine, themes of hope, connection, and multi-generational healing come to life. This drama offers a beautiful blend of slice of life, romance, and personal redemption. With 16 episodes, this is the kind of story you'll want to savor. Premiering on August 9th, this one is great for fans of long, comforting family sagas. 1. 12. If you are into supernatural stories, 12 is your next obsession. This action-packed drama follows 12 celestial warriors, each with zodiac powers, sent to Earth to protect Korea from dark spirits. Ma Dong-seok takes on the role of the fierce tiger guardian, Park Hyung-sik plays the reborn crow demon, and Song Yoon-guk delivers mischief as the monkey angel. Packed with action, mythology, stunning VFX, and an epic arc, this drama could become the next big fantasy franchise. With just 8 episodes, expect intense battles, mythical lore, and stunning visuals. Airing on KBS2 and Disney+, this one's perfect for fans of fantasy and action-packed teamwork. And that's it for today's list of upcoming August 2025 K-dramas. So, which one are you most excited about? Drop your pick in the comments below. I love hearing from you all. And if you found something to add to your watch list, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow K-drama lovers, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another drama drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.